Hi guys, welcome to Saving with Cecile. If you want to know how I paid $2.49 for this big gain, this video is for you. And also in today's video, I'm going to share how I paid $25.07 out of pocket for $91.91 of value. Yes, I said I paid $25.07 out of pocket for $91.91 worth of Orlando detergent. If you are new here, I want to say thank you so much for tuning in and watching Saving with Cecile. If you're subscribers, thank you for always coming back and watching Saving with Cecile. First, make sure that you clip these two boosters. Spend one is spend 45 and $10 in Walgreens cash, and another one is spend 40 and on $10 in Walgreens cash. Last week it was a really good week that I earned almost $40 in my Walgreens cash, and this week is the week I'm gonna try to use them so I can lower some my out of pocket. For my first transaction, this is a buying deal, so you don't have you're gonna need to use the Walgreens cash. So I grab a one again liquid for $9.99, and then I clip two of one digital coupon. I grab one again fling for $9.99. I clip two off of one digital coupon. Since I want to use the $20 in my Walgreens cash, I added this Quest mouthwash for $2.99, or you can grab anything you want for $2.99, and the total it will be $18.97 plus tax. I redeem $20 in Walgreens cash, guys. After packet, I pay only 54 cents, and then I earn $5 register reward when you buy two gain that I'm going to use for my spending deal to lower my out of pocket cost. So for my spending deal, I'm gonna make sure that these coupons, the boosters, they are clip. Spend 40 earn $10 in Walgreens cash, and spend 45 in the P&G product, and $10 in Walgreens cash. So I grab a one crested 3D white for $9 and clip a 5 of one digital coupon. I grab a one crested gum for $9 and clip 5 of one digital coupon. I grab one again liquid for $15.99, and then I clip 4 of one digital coupon. I grab one Tide liquid for $12.99. I clip 3 of one digital coupon. So my total over here is $46.98. And the total coupons, they are $17. And then I use a $5 registry reward, the one I just earned from my previous transaction to lower my out of pocket cost. And also I use $4 registry reward, the one I earned last Sunday. And out of pocket, I pay $22.05, and I earn $10 in Walgreens cash. I earn $3 registry reward when you buy the two Crest. And also the Catalina printed me this registry reward, and this one this time is $7. And what is very interesting, I look in this Catalina, today is on the 21st, and the Catalina is expiring tomorrow. So if you guys you have this Catalina, please look the date, and make sure that you don't take home and the next time you're gonna see and then is already expired. So the final cost for my second transaction after earning all the registry reward, the final cost is only $2.49 each, guys. For this big gain, I get it for $2.49. This is a really good deal. And for my last transaction, I went now. I have $7. This Catalina, the one I wanted to use. So I went. I did the last transaction. So I grabbed a one Tide pod for $5.49, and then I keep $2.05 digital coupon. I grabbed a one Downy Calm scent booster for $5.49. I clip $1 digital coupon. I grab a one again dry sheet for $5.49. I clip a $1 digital coupon. I grab a one again liquid for $5.49. I clip $1 digital coupon. So my total here is $21.91. And total coupons are $5.05. I use $7 registry reward, the one I earned for my second transaction. I redeem $5 in my Walgreens cash. After packet, I pay $2.48, and then I earn $5 registered reward when you buy the Tide, the Downy, Gain, and the Gain 4 that I took home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe. I'll talk to you on my next video. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.